Slider window installation in Salt Lake City is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our team of window installation experts in Salt Lake City specializes in providing top-notch slider window installation services. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, we ensure that your new slider windows in Salt Lake City not only look great but also help reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient windows in Utah are essential for maintaining a comfortable home environment while minimizing energy consumption. Our custom window solutions in Salt Lake City are designed to meet the unique needs of each client, offering a range of options from vinyl slider windows to double-pane windows. These energy-efficient windows are perfect for Utah's diverse climate, providing excellent insulation and reducing heating and cooling costs. Custom window solutions in Salt Lake City offer homeowners the flexibility to choose from a variety of window styles and materials. Whether you're interested in window replacement or new window frame installation, our team provides comprehensive residential window services in Salt Lake City. We also cater to commercial window solutions in Utah, ensuring that businesses have access to high-quality, durable windows. Window replacement in Salt Lake City is a seamless process with our experienced team. We offer a wide selection of vinyl slider windows in Salt Lake City, known for their durability and low maintenance. Our window replacement services in Salt Lake City are designed to enhance your home's curb appeal while improving energy efficiency. Vinyl slider windows in Utah are a popular choice for their sleek design and ease of use. These windows are perfect for both residential and commercial properties, offering a modern look and excellent functionality. Our window installation experts in Salt Lake City ensure that each vinyl slider window is installed with precision and care. Double-pane windows in Salt Lake City provide superior insulation, making them an ideal choice for energy-efficient homes. These windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Our window replacement services in Utah can also upgrade your existing windows to double-pane for improved energy efficiency. Window replacement services in Utah are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our team offers comprehensive window maintenance in Salt Lake City, including window sealing services and window hardware upgrades. Regular maintenance ensures that your windows remain in top condition, providing optimal performance and energy efficiency. Residential window services in Salt Lake City cover everything from window design consultation to window customization. Our experts work closely with homeowners to create custom slider windows Salt Lake City solutions that meet their specific needs and preferences. We also offer window measurement services in Salt Lake City to ensure a perfect fit for every window installation. Commercial window solutions in Utah are designed to meet the demands of businesses seeking durable and energy-efficient windows. Our team provides window frame installation in Salt Lake City, ensuring that each window is securely and professionally installed. We also offer sliding glass windows in Utah, perfect for creating a modern and inviting business environment. Window frame installation in Salt Lake City is a critical component of any window replacement or new construction project. Our team of experts ensures that each window frame is installed with precision, providing a secure and stable foundation for your windows.